Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am Soha from class 4 Moon. Today we will do an activity that is based on article. Do you know how many articles are there? Okay, I will tell you. There are 3 articles. What are they? A and the. Now Abdullah Sajjad will explain article A. A is used before a word begin with a consonant sound. For example,
A table, a lamp, a book, a ball, a tree.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Musa with the article An. An is used before a word begin with the vowel sounds. For example,
An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella.
Assalamu alaikum. I am merged with article the. The is used before particular person, place or thing. For example,
The moon, the stars, the guitar, the sun,